Hello, in front of me I've got PEBBLEBEE Clip Universal. In this video I'll show you how to set up it. PEBBLEBEE Clip Universal can work both on Android and Apple devices. In order to set up it, firstly, as you can see on the sticker, we have to scan it. So let me scan it. Tap Start. Now we can skip and let's set up it. Firstly, let's start pairing the device. We have to remove the sticker and now press device on the logo 2 times to begin. Tap Connect. Continue. Turn on. And now let's download the app. Install. And tap Start. Now we have to enter our email that belongs to account, or we have to create new account. Now let's enter the code and login. You can now enable notifications and now tap Add Device, Allow while using the app, and now press device 5 times. Device is now connected. The process is same or very similar on the iOS. Now let's select what is this item. Choose a type to keep things organized. For example, let's select keys. Continue. Name item. House keys. And it's done. Now we've got our items and we can manage them. Now let's take a look at the statistics and specification of this device. Let's start with sound. The 5th generation clip has sound of 97 dB. Lights are 15% brighter than in 4th gen. It uses USB-C charging cable and battery lasts up to 12 months. It has water rating IP66 and Bluetooth range up to 500 feet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.